Wow, look at that, Daisy. I love this. This is so cool. And look at these beautiful layers. Red, blue, yellow, and again red.
Wow!
It looks amazing. I love it.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Hi, Gigi. How are you feeling today? Today, I'm really happy again and again and again. I always have a happy vibe, but today it is a bit special.
Wow!
Because I will be playing with something very interesting. And that's kinetic sand.
Yay!
Do you know what's kinetic sand, Gigi? Look at that. That type of sand that feels really cool.
Wow!
And unique. Look at that. Wow, have you ever seen something like this? Kinetic sand is
Wow.
really cool and interesting to play with.
Wow!
And you can create so many special things and shapes and castles and cakes and...
Wow!
Oh, let's start playing. I can't wait. Let's see, what do we have in here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. I have blue sand. Wow, look at that.
Wow!
Feels so nice and relaxing. I could play with this all day long. Yellow sand. Look at that. Wow.
Wow!
Wow, I love it. Some black sand.
Wow!
Black sand.
Wow.
Look at that. Ooh, can't wait to play with it. And some red sand. Okay, and what do we have in here? We have some tools and shapes. Here we have a square. We have a star. Let's just play with it. What should I make? What should I make? I will start using this shape, the square. Look at that. And some black sand. And I will use this funny and special spoon. I will add some black sand in here.
Wow!
Wow, look at that. It's like ice cream.
Yum yums.
Wow, look at that. Look, it looks like ice cream. Ooh. And now I'm going to do something very interesting. I will use this shape and I will make a hole in it.
Wow!
Or I will add just a bit more black sand. So
Yay!
this shape will be full of black sand. Just like that. Now I will make a hole.
Wow!
I have to press it. And now let's take it out. Look at that.
Wow!
Now I have a hole in there. Oh, look! Look at that. I have a rectangle in here. Okay, now let's fill this hole with color.
Yay!
Oh, wow. I will choose the red sand now. We'll use this special spoon. And I will add a layer of red sand. Just a bit more.
Wow! Yay!
I can use these tools. So I will press the red layer, just like that. And now I will add a layer of yellow sand. Let's see. 1. They're like spoons of ice cream.
Wow!
2. And 3. Let's use this.
Wow!
Yes. Now I will add a layer of blue sand. 1, 2, 3, and I will use this tool. Oh, this is so satisfying. It feels so nice to play with this sand. I still have some space in here. Look, there's room for another layer of sand.
Wow.
And that would be red. I will add another layer of red sand. 1, just like that. 2, that should be enough. I will use this tool again.
Yum yums.
I will even the layers.
Wow.
Just like that. I can change the head.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Oh, this is really cool. Wow.
Whoa.
And now I need to add the last layer, and that needs to be black. Let's add some black sand. I still have something in here. Yes. And I will slice the rectangle. Look at this.
Whoa.
Wow! Perfect slice of sand. Isn't this amazing that you can slice it and it will stay together? Wow. I will place it in here. And now I will just make it even.
Yay.
This tool. That's it.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. And with this special knife,
Whoa.
I will take the extra sand, just like that.
Wow.
Now, again,
Yay.
and I will unmold it. Let's see if it works.
Wow.
See? I'm so excited and curious. What do we have in here? Oh, look at this! I can see something interesting. Okay. That. Now, I will use my fingers to...
Wow.
Wow, look at that! We have a block of sand. It looks like a square. Yes, it's a square. And now the most interesting part is the slicing part. Let's see. What do we have in here? Let's see. First slice. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Gigi.
Whoa.
Look what I made. This is so cool. Wow, another slice.
Wow.
Wow, look at that, Gigi. I love this. This is so cool. Oh, and look at these beautiful layers. Red, blue, yellow, and again red.
Wow.
It looks amazing. I love it. Now another slice.
Whoa.
Wow! Look at that. Oh, it feels so nice. I love playing with kinetic sand. I really, really love it. I think it's my favorite.
Wow.
Wow! Look at that. Oh, can't wait to make another shape.
Yay.
Wow, they look amazing. Look what I did. What I did.
Wow.
Now let's slice this block too.
Whoa.
I will imagine this is a black cake. Now let's slice it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 guests, our birthday party and we have a lot of cake.
Yum,
And
yum.
wow, this is amazing. I could play with this all day long.
Wow.
Look at that. Wow. No. This is amazing.
Time to tidy up.
I will put the black sand back in here. And I will try to save as much sand, the mixed colors in here and the black one in here. Just a bit more. Oh, this will be a mixed color.
Whoa.
Let's see. Mixed colors. Red. Mixed colors.
Wow.
Yellow.
Mixed colors.
Whoa.
A bit of blue. Mixed colors. Now I have black. Oh, I love doing this. It feels so nice. Black in here.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.